There are plenty of reasons you might want to update colors across an entire design. Maybe you're working with a Canva template and want it to match your brand palette, or you're refreshing your own branding and need to quickly swap out old colors for new ones. Whatever the reason, Canva's Change All feature can save you a lot of time as long as you know where to find it and how it behaves. Start by clicking on any element in your design that uses the color you want to replace. This could be a shape, an icon, a line, or a text box if you're updating font colors. With the element selected, open the color picker and choose the new color you want to use. When that new color is active, look toward the bottom of the color window. If Canva detects that the original color appears elsewhere in your design, you'll see an option labeled Change All. Clicking that will update every instance of that exact color across the entire design. One important thing to understand is that Canva treats element colors and text colors separately. So even if the same color code appears in both, changing all instances of a color on an element won't automatically update your font color. You'll need to repeat the process on your text to update those colors as well. And finally, use a bit of caution. Change All is incredibly helpful, but it's also easy to unintentionally recolor elements you didn't mean to change. Always take a moment afterward to review your design and make sure everything still looks the way you want it to. If you haven't yet upgraded to Canva Pro, I encourage you to give it a try. Learn more about how to get a free 30-day trial of Canva Pro at brendacadman.com/pro.